Do you want to know how I went from 0 to 10,000 subscribers in just 2 months? Stick around because I'm sharing my exact step-by-step strategy that works for me. Not just the result. Happy New Month and Ramadan Kareem to you. Welcome if you are new here. My name is Nazira and I'm here to help small creators like you grow their channel with proven strategies. In our today's video, I'll be talking about how I went from 0 to 10,000 subscribers in just 2 months. My strategy worked out great and it would work out for you. And you can get more than just 10,000 subscribers in a month, even in a month. Because I shared the same strategy with my best friend. It worked out. She gained 11,000 subscribers in a month. So stick to the end of this video not to miss any part, anything at all. Don't forget to slap the subscribe button, like and comment. Growth. If you are ready to grow your channel with me, comment growth. Also support us in the comment section. This is one of my ways to help you grow your channel. So let's grow together. My first step was using YouTube Shorts. YouTube Short is the most fastest way to reach out to wide audience across the globe, because if you are looking for audience across the globe, you have to use YouTube Short. For example, like I did, and my strategy, what I did was I was using shorts, and the content I was doing was put a finger down challenge. If you go to my channel and go to my short feed, you actually find those videos. Put a finger down challenge. If you have ever done this thing we did as kids while growing up, put a finger down, all that kind of stuff. You have to, if you are doing it on your channel, you will gain subscribers so fast and very effective. I know this kind of content is so boring, but trust me, it will gain you subscribers and you will see a lot of engagement on your videos. You know what YouTube wants, right? YouTube wants engagement, and when there's so much engagement on your channel, YouTube is going to push your channel out there. And this is the type of content that will blow up your channel if you start doing it right. If you start doing it right and also start doing it today. Trust me guys, this content is so good and it will gain you subscribers. Here, check. This is one of my shorts that I did. It got more than 2,000 subscribers in just one night. When I woke up, I was so shocked. I could not believe my eyes. I was like, what? Really? Is this how it works? So, and that is how I started doing the put a finger down challenge, and it changed my channel. You can also check this, my friend's channel. She started just a month ago and she's already having more than 11,000 subscribers. Isn't that wonderful? And you can also check this other channel. This is No Sandy K. She's doing the same put a finger down challenge, and while she's doing the put a finger down challenge, she's also posting her long videos about the medicine or that kind of anything concerning health. If you go through her channel, you also see that she's doing put a finger down challenge, and she's having more than 200k subscribers, 265,000 subscribers. And oh my god, that's so beautiful. So to tell you guys that this strategy I'm sharing with you guys so today is so important and it's very effective to work, and it will work out for you. So start doing it today. Don't hesitate to do it today. Start it today and you come and tell me that Nazira, it worked out for me. Oh, so many people are doing this. I just mentioned few people, but they are actually doing this put a finger down challenge to grow up, to gain subscribers and make YouTube to boost your channel, and so they can reach out there. The YouTube can boost your channel, they will reach wide audience and so on and so forth. So don't be hesitant, don't be left out. Don't be left out on this journey. Yes, my second step was consistency. Because if you are doing a put a finger down challenge and you are not consistent, that means you will not actually have that goal you want to put. Maybe you don't actually achieve what you're looking for, because if you post today and in the next 5 days you don't post, how do you want to grow your channel? You have to be posting every day. For myself, I was posting 3 to 4 shots per day, and that was how I was posting every day. Each of my videos was getting no less than 100 subscribers. Just imagine if you're posting every day in a week, you will get a lot of subscribers. So you have to post every day, and you have to post at least 3 shots every day. It's something very easy to do because you don't have to sit in front of a camera, put your fingers up and say, put a finger down challenge if you have ever steal, put a finger down challenge if you have ever done this, put a finger down challenge. Just like that. You can do maybe like 5 videos and keep them. You pause, you schedule your time, pause. And my third step was timing. Since I noticed that my audience was coming from the US, UK, Canada, and so on, I have to follow their time zone. Like I research and I figure out that the time to post, the time like lunchtime, evening, I research all kind of stuff, and that's how I was posting my shot during those hours. The fourth step was responding to comment. You have to respond to their comments, because if you want engagement on your videos, right? When they are commenting, you have to respond back to their comments. Say something to them, because it's not all about creating content. It's about building a community here. It's about building a community. And if you're just posting and they're commenting and you are not responding them back, that means you are not serious, and you're not serious about what you want to do. You have to engage with your audience. That's one powerful tool that YouTube like. You have to engage with your audience. While they're commenting, you have to be commenting back. Reply them, respond to them, ASAP. That's how your YouTube will be pushing your channel out there, and you'll be getting subscribers. Oh, this thing suits me fast. Now it is your turn to start right now. Comment growth below if you are ready to grow your YouTube channel with me. Let's support each other in the comment section. Subscribe to my channel and also subscribe to those who are commenting under this video. We are all on this journey. Let's grow together. So there you have it. My exact strategy from going from 0 to 10,000 subscribers in just 2 months. Before I end this video, I have a challenge for you. It's gonna be this way. You start today. You start to put a finger down challenge today. Follow my strategy. You can use sounds from shorts because I make sure to use trending sounds. After a week now, come back to this video and comment how many subscribers you have gained. After a week, come back to this video. That means what I'm sharing with you guys today is a golden result. That is magic. I just want to make sure you guys are growing. If you find this helpful, make sure to subscribe to my channel.